This content video contains graphic content that may be disturbing and traumatizing to some. Viewer discretion is advised. Welcome to Rank and Accountability, Colonel Gerald Grimes' courts-martial result. Let's recall why he faced a courts-martial. When Colonel Grimes was stationed around Huntsville, Alabama, during December 2019, disturbing allegations emerged. His then-wife accused him of abusive behavior, including controlling actions and physical violence. According to then-wife, Grimes became increasingly manipulative after their marriage, demanding access to her computer passwords, receipts, and whereabouts. The situation escalated when Grimes allegedly strangled her during an argument, leaving her shocked and fearful. Later that evening, she was admitted to Madison Hospital in Madison, Alabama, where doctors outlined the extent of her injuries, including closed head injury, hematoma, concussion, cervical strain, extremity contusion or fracture, according to medical records. In the remarks section, the doctor wrote that her husband had hit her multiple times and pushed her against the wall. Additionally, a Huntsville police officer wrote in an incident report that evening that the hospital advised she had a broken bone in her right hand and visible red marks on her neck. Despite her immediate filing for divorce, Grimes was not taken into custody for a felony domestic violence by strangulation charge until September 5th, according to a Madison County Sheriff's Office spokesperson. The charges were delayed due to confusion over the proper venue, and she was waiting for a police investigator to finish an unrelated case. Grimes was released on $5,000 bond. Nearly 6 years later, Colonel Grimes faced a general courts-martial, July 2024, on Fort Campbell, Kentucky, where he pleaded not guilty with a form of an officer panel. After much deliberation and delayed update of the Army Trial Judiciary Docket, his case was withdrawn. Well, why would a military courts-martial be withdrawn? 1. Procedural errors, mistakes in the legal process, such as incorrect filing or handling of evidence, can lead to a court-martial being withdrawn. 2. New evidence. The emergence of new evidence that significantly alters the case can result in charges being dropped. 3. Improper conduct. If there is evidence of misconduct by the prosecution or defense, the court-martial may be withdrawn. 4. Speedy trial rights. If the accused's right to a speedy trial is violated, the charges may be dismissed. 5. Command discretion. Commanders have the authority to withdraw charges if they believe it is in the best interest of justice and does not unfairly prejudice the accused. As we conclude this episode of Rank and Accountability, we reflect on the complexities and nuances of military justice. Colonel Gerald Grimes' case, marked by serious allegations and a lengthy legal process, underscores the importance of due process and the challenges inherent in such proceedings. The withdrawal of his court-martial highlights several potential factors, from procedural errors to the emergence of new evidence, and even the discretionary power of military commanders. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in ensuring that justice is served fairly and accurately. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for our next episode where we continue to explore the intricate world of military justice and accountability. Until then, stay informed and stay vigilant.